जगमग जगमग घर आंगन हो, ऐसे दीप जलाए। प्रीत के रंग में खुद को रंग के, मन के भेद मिटाए। मन के भेद मिटाए। रोशनी का हो बसेरा, रह ना जाए कहीं अंधेरा। आओ मनाए ऐसी दिवाली, मिलकर लाए नया सवेरा। होठों पर मुस्कान सजी हो, रिश्तों को हम ऐसे सजाएं। रिश्तों को हम ऐसे सजाएं। जगमग जगमग घर आंगन हो, ऐसे दीप जलाए। प्रीत के रंग में खुद को रंग के, मन के भेद मिटाए। मन के भेद मिटाए। जगमग जगमग घर आंगन हो, ऐसे दीप जलाए।
ओम शांति। धनतेरस, Diwali, New Year, Bhai Dooj are such beautiful festivals that are celebrated with so much splendor. Diwali is a festival of lights, a festival of our victory of good over evil. It is a celebration for the return of Lord Rama back to Ayodhya. That is our remembrance when we souls destroy our vices and transform this Kalyugi Ravan Rajya to the godly golden aged Ram Rajya. Now in this festival of lights, let us emerge our eternal, pure, tiny point of light form. See your divine light beaming into the universe. People ignite so many fireworks with happiness in this memory. Let's stay in this beautiful experience for a few seconds. I'm light. I'm a divine light. I, the eternal light, I fly to the world of lights, to the world of angels. God shows me my complete angelic form. I renounce my old body, old costume, old dress, and wear a new body of light, a new angelic dress of soothing white light. I feel enthusiastic. I clean and clear all my negative accounts with the people on this planet. and I feel free and light, pure, bodiless, voiceless, and egoless. I experience my angelic light increasing multifold, spreading light into the universe. This is true Diwali. The pure light touches every being on this planet Earth, purifying the 5 elements, the space. The whole planet is purified. Everything becomes pure. It is filled with white light. Today is a day of great happiness. I, in my angelic body, shining with bright white light, I'm detached from the old world, old body, old relations. I feel double light. I begin a new account with all the souls. Diwali is a time of earning, opening of new accounts. I invoke all virtues and greet each other with this beautiful divine light. It is a day to sweeten everyone's mouth with sweet words. I remember God and I remind everyone of our sweet Father. Our sweet home and our sweet relationship as brothers. Let there be this newness of sweetness this Diwali. Let there be victory over wasting our time, energy. Let there be victory over waste thoughts, waste sanskars. On this Diwali, let us meet each other with this new light, this light of sweetness, of pure love and divinity. Om Shanti.
फरिश्ता रूप रच कर